Hi, Old Radio Al here. As you know, I don't really do restoration videos. I'm just not inclined to do those. But there's a couple things about this Zenith that I picked up today that I wanted to show you. I thought it was worth looking at. Haven't been able to precisely identify this radio yet. I mean I do know the model number. The tag is on the bottom. It's an A835E, but I cannot find a schematic for it. I know from the chassis number that it is from 1956. Anyway, I just started going through this radio. I've cleaned up the cabinet a bit. It's shining up a little bit. I don't usually go in for blonde radios anyway. But that's a story for another day, the blondes. Anyway, I don't normally go in for blonde cabinets, but there was just something about this radio I liked, and I read a little bit about this type of radio and it appealed to me. It's an AM/FM. As I said, it's from 1956. Haven't found anything precisely about this particular model, but something kind of unique. There are some 835s that I found schematics for, and they all say they have two loudspeakers. Well, this one has not only the speaker on the chassis, it has two piezo type speakers. Kind of cool for 1956. And there's the main speaker. The other thing I wanted to show you is that this is, being an AM/FM, it has not only your AM tuning capacitor, it has the Slug type tuning like I showed you in that Dalbar AM radio that I did a video of a couple weeks ago. So that's what Slug tuning looks like. You can see the plungers moving up and down. Something else kind of, I have replaced a couple of caps on top. I haven't done anything underneath yet. Something else that's kind of cool about this radio is the scratching up my table. Is the tuning itself. You would think that this center knob is the tuning, but it's not. That's the tone control. Left this indicator on here just so you could see the actual tuning. As you can see through the pulley arrangement is over here. It's a kind of odd tone control right there, where the pointer is, and the actual tuning over here. So we'll see how this one progresses. As I said, I just picked it up tonight. It's a fairly clean chassis. Doesn't look like it's going to be much of a problem. Kind of a problem not having the precise schematic, but I think from the ones I've got that are close enough. Oh, selenium rectifier that I've got, I'll be able to get through it, and we'll see how it plays. I have high expectations for it. Also has a phono input. So that's all for now. Old Radio Al. More radios, including this one, on the way.